Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to keep your MacBook screen on. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Apple design macOS for maximum power efficiency. Therefore, by default, your Mac tries to preserve energy as much as possible to prolong its battery life. As a result, when you stop using your Mac for a certain amount of time, it automatically goes to sleep. So now, what if you want to keep your Mac screen on? You can open your system preferences. Now you can go to the battery section, and here you can just click on battery. And here, from usage history, you can go to battery section. Here you can see there is like an option to adjust your turn display of outer or the timeout. If you want to make your MacBook screen stay on, you can adjust to never. You can slide to never. So now, anytime you're using your MacBook and you don't use it for a couple of times, your MacBook won't be asleep again. Your MacBook screen still on. It's a simple avoid. So that is how to keep your MacBook screen on. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.